Hello, dear student. Welcome to the BM classes. This is Vishnu Mahanand, lecturer in English, Pirabati Women's College, Teresinga. Today, I am going to discuss the question answer of the first unit of the famous approach, My Greatest Olympic Prize, written by the J.C. Owens. This is one of the famous article written by the J.C. Owens. The full name of the J.C. Owens is James Cleveland J.C. Owens. He was born in the year 1913 and died in the year 1980. J.C. Owens was an American track and field athlete who was specialized in the sprint and the long jump. Now come to the question and answer. Before I go to the question and answer, I want to give some tips regarding the how to write a good answer in English. My dear student, I have already told you in my previous classes, before you write the question answer of a questions, you must have to understand first the questions, whether the questions is in the past tense or in the present tense or in the future time. You must have to understand, then you have to start the writing the answer of any questions in that same concept or in the same concept or in the same answer. You must have to attend the question and answer according to the questions. Now come to the first question of the first unit of my greatest Olympic prize, written by the famous track athlete Jesse Owens. Come to the first question. Question number one: Why were nationality? Why were nationalistic feelings running high during the 1936 Summer Olympic in Berlin? I want to repeat once again. Question number one: Why were nationalistic feelings running high during the 1936 Summer Olympics in Berlin? The answer will be in the same format and same tense. The nationalistic feelings were running high during the 1936 Olympic in Berlin because Adolf Hitler, the propagator of Aryan superiority theory, childishly remarked that his performer would bag all the gold medals, defeating the poorer races. Now come to the next questions. Question number 2. I wasn't too worried about all this. What does this refer to? Hitler's belief or winning a gold medal? I want to repeat it once again. Question number 2. I wasn't too worried about all this. What does this refer to? Hitler's belief or winning a gold medal? The answer will be I was not too worried about all this. Here, this means refer to Hitler's beliefs. Now, come to the next questions. Question number third. Why was not Owens worried? Why was not Owens worried? The question is in the past tense. You must have to write the answer in the same tense or in the past tense. The answer will be the Owens was not worried about. He had trained, sweated, and disciplined himself for 6 years with the games in mind. He had already set the world record 26 feet. Now come to the next questions. Question number 4. Why did everyone expect Owens to win the long jump easily? I want to repeat it once again. Why did everyone expect Owens to win the long jump easily? The answer will be everyone expected that Owens would win the long jump easily because he had already set the world record of 26 feet and 8 inch during his college time. Now come to the next questions. Question number 5. What was the surprise that awaited Jesse Owens in Berlin? The answer will be in the same format and the same tense. The half answer of every question is in the inside the questions. You have to find out and write accordingly. The answer will be in Berlin. A great surprise was waiting for Jesse Owens. He was he was a German athlete Lazlang who was to take part in long jump event. He could hit 26 feet on his practice jump. Now come to the next questions. Question number 6. What did he learn from people about Lazlang? I want to repeat it once again. Question number 6. What did he learn from people about Lazlang? The answer will be from people he learned that Hitler had kept him under wraps, evidently hoping he would win the jump. Now come to the next questions. Question number 7. Do you think Nazis are Aryan? Do you think Nazis are Aryan? Superiority theory meant that Germans were superior to Negroes. How did Owens feel about it? Angry or bothered? The answer will be yes. Yes, the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory meant that Germans were superior to Negroes. Owens felt angry about it. Owens felt angry about it. Now come to the next questions and the last question of the first unit of the famous article written by the Jesse Owens, My Greatest Olympic Prize. Really, a prize is very important for a person. A prize cannot be purchased from a market, or any type of prize can be purchased and sell. Really, the prize is very valuable to the athlete or any type of person. Now come to the last questions. Question number 8. What made Owens determined to beat Lazlang? What made Owens determined to beat Lazlang? The answer will be Jesse Owens strongly opposed Hitler's master race theory. He was he was of the view that talent should be honored. So he wanted to beat Lazlang to settle Hitler's theory. I want to repeat it once again. Question number 8 and the last question of this unit. What made Owens determined to beat Lazlang? The answer will be Jesse Owens strongly opposed Hitler's master race theory. He was of the views that talent should be honored. So he wanted to beat Lazlang to shatter Hitler's theory. My dear student, this is my oral question and answer session. If you want to join my live classes, live question answer discussion, please like my channel, share my channel and subscribe my channel BM classes and press the bell icon to update with me. My dear student, this is my practical and the and the practical, the question answer, oral question answer classes. How is this class? You must have to comment me, encourage me. I am going to discuss all the question answer in the blackboard session and the pentop session and the live classes. You must have to, if you want to join my class, please like, share, comment and update with me. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see the next question answer discussion of the next unit, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel BM classes. Thank you.